Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be making gingerbread people. Now this is a very old recipe. I did this when I was a kid, so I thought I'd show you this recipe and share it with you guys. And if you've not been here before, your recipe is in the description below the video, and also while you're down there you'll find numbers of playlists which are recipes for you guys waiting. And while you're down there, just tick that little box saying subscribe and we'll get right on with the video. And for your recipe, you want 226 grams of cake flour. This is also plain flour. 9 grams of baking powder. 14 grams of ground ginger. 113 grams of margarine, or you can use butter. 141 grams of dark brown sugar. 1 egg and some lemon juice. And now we've got our ingredients up together. What we need is a machine, 3-speed. Or you can do it by hand if you want. It just takes a bit longer by hand, but I'm going to be using a 3-speed machine. And also you need is one of these. It's a cutter. So we're all on the same page. This cutter is 13 centimeters high, and this recipe makes 12 of these. Right, the first thing you want to do is get your dark brown sugar and add an egg in. Bit of lemon, and just give this a good stir around. You want it to make it nice and smooth because the dark brown sugar doesn't break down that easy. Right, that's ready. Now we'll put in our flour, ginger, baking powder, give that a stir around. Add in your butter or margarine. Now we'll start this mixing on 1st speed. All we need to do is crumb this up now. Right, now that's crumbed, we'll just add in our dark brown sugar. We'll stop that in a second. Just give it a scrape off the bottom. And now what we want to do is make that into a nice smooth dough. And that's ready. It's now time to put your oven on. Your temperature wants to be 180 Celsius, and that's in a fan assisted oven. Now, if you haven't got a fan assisted oven and you rely on the old fashioned method, then you'll want 200 Celsius. Give this a stir around. With a bit of flour. Put onto the floured table. Just mold it up into a nice shape, ball shape. So it's actually like a nice bit of dough, but it's not that sort of dough. Bit of flour. What I'd say is you need a knife and a rolling pin. We'll start by rolling this out. You want to take it down to around about 3 to 4 millimeters thick. You are aiming to get 12 out of this. Bit of flour, knife underneath, and then just cut out your people. All you need to do is now pop them onto a tray with silicone paper or baking parchment. And then put them straight onto a tray. Right, what you need now is some egg wash. This is just an egg and some water mixed. Just get rid of the flour if there's anything on the top. Shouldn't be very much. Right, now we'll just wash the tops over with egg wash. Now if you're allergic to egg, then don't use egg. Or you can just use milk if you want. Now you can put faces on afterwards, or you can do some before you bake it. So all we do in the bakery industry that we used to do in the bakery, and this is all we ever did, is 2 eyes. And now they look like little aliens, which the kids just love. Now we've done our gingerbread, people, we'll get them into the oven. Now we're going to be baking them in there for around about 10 to 12 minutes. The gingerbread's ready, we'll get them out. There we go, folks. It's as simple as that. Gingerbread, people. Now if you want more recipes like this, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget, your recipe is in the description below the video. There is a pull down this side or this side, whichever the case might be, and the video recipe just pops out at you. And whilst you're down there, check out the playlist. They are your recipes for you guys. And we'll see you again very shortly in the Crazy Baker Kitchen on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!